Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm bringing you a video on how to ceramic coat your car at your home. So shout out to today's sponsor of today's video, which is Proje Car Care Products. So they sent me out a full ceramic kit, and I'm going to be ceramic coating my BMW M4 today. So the Proje kit that they sent me out is a consumer level kit, so anyone can do it in your home. I have never ever ceramic coated a car before, so you can be getting the real deal review today. All right, so now let's go ahead and review the products that they sent out. All right, everyone, so as you can see right here on the table, this is everything they sent out, and this is the ceramic coating platinum kit. I'll be linking this kit down below in the description if you're interested in checking out the details and the products that are in it in more detail. But as you can see right here on the table, I was sent 6 microfiber edgeless cloths, 2 applicator pads for the ceramic. I was also sent each one of these products, so let's go in detail. So this is right here is what Proje calls their quick coat. Now this is to maintain the ceramic. This is a ceramic waterless wash. So after you ceramic and get your car clean and get everything detailed up, you'll be able to use this in order to keep it clean and make it last longer. All right, so next they have right here is their ceramic soap. So this is what you use to wash the car with before you ceramic it. This is a ceramic soap. This is going to help remove any contaminants and help remove a lot of the stuff and prepare the surface for it to be ceramic. So they sent that as well in the kit. Then they have the prep spray. This is what you spray on before you use the ceramic to prep the surface. And then we also have the ceramic coating here in this gold packaging here. And we all know what this does. This is just going to create a shield between anything outside in your paint, help keep it clean, help give it that glossy, shiny finish. Also, they included these sprayers here, which goes into the bottles, which helps you will be able to apply it to your microfiber cloths evenly. And then also they didn't supply these gloves, but you will need gloves because you don't want to get ceramic on your hands or anything like that. So you will need some rubber gloves to protect yourself. All right, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is wash my car because it's mad dirty, and then we're going to go ahead and get into applying these products. So let's get to it. All right, everyone, so we already just applied the ceramic soap, as you can kind of see right here. So we just applied that to the car, and as you can kind of see right there, car's looking really good with that ceramic smoke. It smells pretty good too, if that matters to you. But yeah, so now we're going to go ahead and apply this prep spray. So the prep spray is going to take off anything that is currently on your car. So we're talking waxes, anything like that. It's going to take all that off and prepare the surface for the ceramic coating. So we're going to go ahead and do that now, and let's get to it. All right, everyone, as you can see here, I got Josh out here helping me out with the Proje Car Care ceramic kit that I got. He's been detailing professionally for a very long time. Matter of fact, I'll let him tell you about his experience and what he does.
What's going on, everybody? Joshua Greer, Watch Me Down Detailing. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook at Watch Me Down Detailing all together, or www.watchmedowndetailing.com. Been detailing for about 15 years, so here to help my buddy out to apply this Proje. We're gonna let you see how it works. Right now we're about to apply some spray prep to get the surface clear of contaminants, to remove any waxes or anything that's been there previously. That way we can put that beautiful Proje ceramic coating on there.
All right, so y'all heard it first from Josh. You know, I really wanted to get his input on this because, like I said, I have never used ceramic before, so I don't know how it's supposed to really react. I mean, I watch videos on it. I know it's supposed to keep water and stuff off your car, but I want to get his input on it because he's used a lot of products over his vast career. So we'll definitely be able to get his opinion at the end, so he can give his opinion on how this product works. So let's go ahead and get to applying this prep spray. All right, everyone, so we already applied the prep spray to the surface, as you can see right there. So now it is time to apply the ceramic coating. So this ceramic coating is good up to 12 months. It does provide a water resistant protection. It does give you a glossy clear coat. It's going to cut your wash time down to about 5 minutes when you're using this quick coat waterless spray and wash here. So we're going to apply the ceramic on top of the prep spray. You got to wait 2 minutes and then wipe it off, and then you wait 20 minutes for it to cure. Then after that, we'll come back and we're going to show you exactly what it looks like, and we're going to do the water test. So Proje is real famous for doing their water test, where they actually throw water on the vehicle and the water just falls right off. So we're going to do that test for y'all live today so y'all can see exactly what it's going to do and what it looks like. All right, so let's get to it. All right, everyone, so the first ceramic coating has been applied. So now what we got to do is wait 2 minutes. So I got my iPhone right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the 2-minute timer. All right, everyone, so it's been 2 minutes. So right now what we got to do is wipe off the excess. So you're supposed to wipe it off completely after 2 minutes, and then after that we're gonna wait 20 minutes, and then we're gonna do the water test on the first coat. Now I did see online where some people said they had to put multiple coats on, but we just did that one coat, so we're gonna see how well that one coat works and if we really need to. So I can tell you right now, the car does look good, and I definitely want to see what it looks like once this thing cures and dries. So we'll be back with y'all after he finishes wiping this down and after the 20 minutes of break. All right, everyone, so it has been 20 minutes, and I hope my camera's doing it justice, but the car does look very glossy up top. So hope y'all seeing that there. I know it may be a little difficult to pick up on camera, but it is very, very glossy on the top. So now what we're gonna do is do a water test. So the water test, I know y'all seen that a lot of times people get their car ceramic. They just kind of throw water on top after the ceramic is cured and see what it does. The water's supposed to just rinse right off. So go ahead and set my camera up so y'all can get a nice, good view of that. And let's go ahead and knock out this water test. So I got this nice, 2 quarts of premium H2O. So we're just gonna pull this right over the top and let's see what happens. As y'all can see there, water just kind of flew right off. There's a little bit of pellets right in this area, but I'm pretty sure, you can see the water. I'm gonna move the camera so y'all can kind of zoom in. The water's just sitting on top of the car. So, as you can kind of see right there, when you see those water droplets, they're just sitting on top of the car like a big bubble. It's kind of crazy. I've never seen water sit on top of a car like that. So right now I'm gonna have Josh pour some more water so y'all can really see the effect. I mean, the water's just sliding off. I mean, look at all this water. I mean, it's sliding off. So that's pretty crazy. I mean, look at that right there. That's crazy. So it's definitely doing what it says it's supposed to do. So yeah, man, I would say the product works. All right, y'all. So I just dried off the previous water that was up here, but I used this towel right here to just kind of go over, and I want to show y'all how easy the water comes off, man. So it was super, super easy. So I mean, all I'm doing, just taking the towel, throwing it on the car, and just going like that. Boom, water falling right off. Like, this is how I'm gonna be able to dry my car now. I mean, this is gonna save me so much time. I mean, I'm barely putting any pressure. You see, I'm just holding it with the tips and just kind of. I mean, this is crazy. And this towel does usually a pretty good job, but you have to apply pressure. I'm not applying pressure. I'm just letting it glide over the front of the car, and it's taking everything off. Like, there's no water on it right now, and I mean, it's dry already. You see, I just put that water on it. So yeah, man, this product is great. I have no complaints. All right, everyone. So as y'all just saw, they would just dry the hood, super, super easy. everything worked out great. So right now, go ahead and get Josh's thoughts on the product. He's seen it in work. He's seen it in action. He actually used some of it. So this is from a professional detailer right here. So this is his thoughts on the product.
Honestly, man, I'm baffled. Like, I was a little skeptical at first. You know, I've heard a lot of ceramic products, a lot that say, hey, you know what, quick to apply. But there are a lot that you put on that, you know, the material hardens super quick. You know, you're not able to wipe it off as quick. Your towels harden super quick, so you're not able to make it a smooth, you know, applying process, a smooth cleanup process. I gotta say, this is definitely one of the most, if not the most easiest applications of a ceramic that I've ever experienced. We did apply it with I'm not sure if you saw it, but it was a microfiber sponge basically. So we put the applicator on there, smoothed it out. A lot of other kits come with, you know, way small applicators, probably half of the size of what I used, and it's just more of a tedious process. With this one, I mean, we put it on that one sponge, wiped the entire surface. So we did the one hood with one microfiber sponge that we put the material on and smoothed the entire hood. We didn't have to go back, we didn't have to add more chemical to it. So this is what you're seeing from one layer of the chemical being added to a microfiber and putting it on. That's it. We didn't go back, we didn't have to touch up. We applied it as it said, we followed the directions, and this is like butter. It's amazing.
Yeah, man. So y'all heard it, man. I mean, I know I'm impressed. Like I said, I haven't used a ceramic before, so I definitely wanted to get Josh's 2 cents in. And yeah, man. I mean, the car looks shiny. We're gonna go ahead and ceramic the rest of the car, and definitely go grab some pictures. And I'll be posting those up right after this, man. But yeah, so everything worked out great. All right, everyone. So as y'all just saw there, we just applied the Proje to the hood, and it worked great, man. And y'all heard Josh's comments on it, so definitely worked great, man. So definitely shout out to Proje again for sending this product out, for letting me review it, man. So definitely, if y'all interested in this product, I'll be linking the product and the information down in the description below. Make sure to click that link and get the product for you if you're interested in it. So that's it, man. So I appreciate, again, everyone that's watching this video, everyone that helped me get to where I am right now. Shout out to Josh. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to his Instagram. Make sure y'all go follow him. By putting his information, it should be popping up all over the place. So y'all make sure y'all go click on that and make sure y'all go follow him, man. So definitely, man. So that's all I got to say, man. Go ahead and finish the car. I'll go ahead and enjoy these pictures I'm getting ready to post up now. And I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.